Continued, Part 4. After the kitten has been washed in warm water and dried with a dry towel, it is time to dry his fur with warm air from a hair dryer. The kitten didn't really like being dried with warm air from a hairdryer and wanted to escape from my hands as quickly as possible and run away. I had to hold him with my hand to calm him a little and still dry his fur completely. Finally, the kitten's drying was almost over, and the kitten could be released so that he could run around and play with his favorite toys again. The end of this story is about a kitten who, while playing and out of curiosity, stuck his head into a watering can for watering flowers. The kitten grows, and our stories continue with it.